Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas wish list from the Stampin' Up! Website to share with your friends and family so you get just what you want and need. First, you're going to log in like you normally would do, and you're going to make sure you're shopping with me, Amanda Mertz. If my name doesn't show up there, you can go ahead and switch that. Then come over to where your name is on the corner, drop down to My Lists, and you'll see everybody automatically has a favorites list already created, whether you have anything added there or not. But we're going to create a separate one just for this. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to be super creative and do Christmas wish list. Click create new list and you see it pop up over here. And now I will show you how to add items to this list. Let's go to the shopping menu. Let's go down to sweets, because it's always fun to maybe get a big, huge bundle of products to use. Let's check out the Joy of Christmas suite. Click on that and it'll open it up and show all of the products in there, but we're just going to add the one where it includes everything with one. And all you do is click on the little heart and it'll give you a box. Choose which list you want to add it to. We're going to add it to Christmas wish list. And that's all there is to it. Let's add a few more just so you can see the whole process again. Let's see, let's go to view all. What would be a fun thing to get as a gift that you might not buy for yourself on a normal order? Let's check out the tools and storage. Maybe you need to replace some old products that are worn out or you never got and you're just making do. Embossing toolkit is always a good one. Let's add that. All you do, see, you just click on the heart and then choose which list you want to add it to. Let's scroll down. How about some stamp and blend storage? It's always nice to have our markers organized. Click on the heart and then click on which list. All right, let's scroll back up to the top. Go ahead, click on your name again and My Lists. And that bring us to, there we go. Look at, we've got our products in there. Let's click on that and see. They're all listed right there. And you can put as many things on there as you want and people can pick and choose. Now to share the list, just click Share List, copy link, and then now you've got the link saved. You can send it out in email. You can directly share it from Facebook here, but we're not going to do that. Just share it however you would wish to share it. Hope that was helpful. Thanks so much.